Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa review. Is it worth it? I'll break down rewards, fees, travel perks, and redemption options, compare value versus competitors, and show simple examples so you can decide if this card fits your spending style and travel goals. Stay tuned for clear numbers, quick tips, and a concise verdict at the end to help you pick the right card right now. The rewards section covers earn rates, typical point valuations, and practical redemption examples to show real value. I'll explain how multipliers on travel and dining change your effective rate and compare point values when used for travel versus statement credit. You will get a clear example of 10,000 points converted to travel value and a short checklist to decide if the return justifies keeping the card in your wallet. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful card reviews and travel tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that make travel snacks and airport meals easier. See the link in the description for details and deals. Your support helps the channel and funds more testing and reviews, so thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Here I review common fees, insurance protections, and travel perks that change the card's net value. Expect a breakdown of annual fee scenarios, a look at rental car and travel insurance benefits, and how foreign transaction fees affect overseas spending. I'll give simple examples showing when perks offset fees and when you should consider alternative cards based on your travel frequency and spending mix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.